Alright you guys, बैकग्राउंड में कंस्ट्रक्शन का आवाज आ रहा होगा. आई नो यू विल बी इरिटेटेड. आई एम ऑलरेडी irritated from past over a week now. It's just crossing the limit. As I said, मेरे को favorites करना है. So today we will be chatting through few of my favorite reads of the month of 2, 3, 4 months, and I want to do more favorites video by the end of the month. Okay, so this is going to be chatty, long, fun video. Okay, मेरे पहले तो मैं आई टॉक अबाउट माई 5 स्टार रीड्स. ओके, नेम सेक, एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. इस पे पिक्चर बनी है. इरफान खान वाज लीडिंग इन दिस. ओ माय गॉड, ये बुक थी और फिर मूवी बनी. द स्टोरीज अबाउट दिस कपल मूविंग टू लिव इन अमेरिका. तब बहुत इंडियंस नहीं थे. इवेंचुअली एज शी एजेस एंड शी हैज 2 चिल्ड्रन एंड दे गेट मैरिड एंड जस्ट देयर जर्नी ऑफ लिविंग अब्रॉड एंड हाउ इट इज देयर. Just it was like a tear jerker. Like मैं रोने लग गई almost by the end of it. It just felt too close to home for me, and it's so good. Like you'll understand how people function outside their comfort zone and what it took for that lady to move out. Yeah, it's pretty good. 5 star. Okay, next up है Daisy Jones and the Sixth by Taylor Jenkins Reid. ये मेरी फेवरेट 5 स्टार बुक ऑफ द ईयर है. इतना बढ़िया कोई कैसे लिख सकता है. सो बेसिकली इट्स अ इंटरव्यू फॉर्मेट है. डेजी जोन्स एक एक्ट्रेस होती है. नहीं सॉरी, आई एम मिक्सिंग 2 डिफरेंट बुक्स बाय द सेम ऑथर. सो आई सेम ऑथर के 2 बुक्स है ये लिस्ट में. डेजी जोन्स इज अ सिंगर, द सिक्स्थ इज अ बैंड. दे मीट टुगेदर, दे कोलैबोरेट, दे सिंग. इट इज अ रोमांस लव स्टोरी बट इट इज हिस्टोरिक फिक्शन एज वेल. ओल्ड हॉलीवुड ग्लैम पूरा. The setup is so good, the story is so good, so good as in the interaction between these characters, and पूरा format is a interview based. So there's this person जो interview ले रहा होता है and up to the end आपको पता नहीं होता है वो interviewer कौन है, और आखिरी में आपको interviewer पता चलता है कि कौन है. And then you're like oh, मतलब it's like you'll understand the story is really like good. And by the same author Taylor Jenkins Reid का है 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Oh my god, it is so good. LGBTQ plus का एंगल है. अगेन ओल्ड रेट्रो हॉलीवुड हिस्टोरिक फिक्शन है. and I just like the title was so intriguing. I picked it up and I knew Taylor Jenkins Reid की मैं एक बुक पढ़ चुकी हूँ और मेरे को इतनी पसंद आई है. And was super hyped up. I was like नहीं मेरे को नहीं पसंद आएगी, but then I still gave it a shot and I was like oh my god, this is so good. So I just read it. It was actually that good. Evelyn Hugo is a very huge celebrity, on-screen celebrity, and her rise to fame and power and how she marries these 7 people that she meet. Just her story. It's too good. Next up है The Hating Game. It's again a cheesy romantic novel. I think you'll love it. मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट जो है लड़की और लड़का एक साथ एक ही ऑफिस में काम कर रहे होते हैं. लड़की बहुत ज़्यादा हेट करती है वो लड़के को तहे दिल से, क्योंकि वो लोग 2 डिफरेंट कंपनी से होते हैं और वो 2 डिफरेंट कंपनीज का मर्जर हो जाता है एक कंपनी में. एंड नाउ वो एक ही पोजीशन के लिए वो दोनों फाइट कर रहे होते हैं. जस्ट सो गुड. नेक्स्ट अप है द पर्क्स ऑफ बीइंग अ वॉलफ्लावर. नेटफ्लिक्स पे इसका मूवी है पर्क्स ऑफ बीइंग अ वॉलफ्लावर. कहाँ से चालू करूँ, कहाँ एंड करूँ? आई थिंक आई वुड लीव इट अ मिस्ट्री बिकॉज यू जस्ट हैव टू ब्लाइंडली गो फॉर इट. इट्स सो गुड. नेक्स्ट अप है शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट्स, mystery thriller. I read this and I fell in love with the category genre of mystery thriller. इस पे वेब सीरीज बनी है, HBO की है. आपको बुक नहीं पढ़नी है तो you can definitely check out the web series. It's really good. But if you are a bibliophile, I would rather recommend you to read a book because it shows more graphic content ज़्यादा है उसमें as compared to HBO पे. वेब सीरीज में फिर है Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. I finally read it. It was a play, but it was really good. I thought that I wouldn't like it considering उसके reviews इतने खराब थे, but I really liked it. I really liked it. Play है basically ये पूरी book उसकी play है, and I think I'll give it like a good solid 4 stars because it is part I think 8th of the Harry Potter world, and I my childhood was Harry Potter, So I want to read it, and I did. It was really good for me. Okay, so these are next up. These are all the books that I have hauled during pandemic, and I hope to finish it maybe someday. Next up, okay, everyday vocabulary. This was like absolute rubbish purchase. ठीक है, ये तो मतलब बकवास फालतू 60 रुपीज़ की मैंने खरीदी है, एंड इट्स जस्ट शब्द है, हिंदी शब्द है और मराठी शब्द है, लाइक प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड मीनिंग, बेसिकली दैट. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually open it, but if I bought it, I will. Next up है Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. I think this is one of the best-selling author की book है, and I really wanna read it. It's just tiny. Look at that. How tiny is that? फिर है Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. UK की favorite best-selling favorite novel है. I think लिखा भी है, Britain's favorite novel by The Guardian. So I really want to read more classics, and I just read like इतना ही पढ़ा है मैंने out of. I want to do that. Next up है this book. It's called Quiet by Susan Cain. Book basically talks about the power of introverts in the world that can't stop talking, and honestly I've not read completely, but like I've read कितना बोलूँगी 30 pages of it, and I'm enjoying it so far. Just a lot to learn. Okay, next up है this was one of the most recommended books by Jen M, and I've also had a couple of people recommend this on YouTube, and I wanted to buy it. This was genuinely very expensive purchase, like probably over 500 rupees. Atomic Habit by James Clear, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones. Tiny changes, remarkable results. Basically it says to change 1% of anything that you do, and then build on that, and then another percent, and then another percent, and I've just started it. This is that one book जिसके साथ मेरे को मार्कर लेके बैठना पड़ेगा, because I have just read 26 pages of this again, and I know for a fact I need a marker and like a bookmarks, lot of it. My nightly reads Srimad Bhagavad Gita by Eknath Ishwaran. भगवद गीता वी ऑल नो कितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है एंड समझ में नहीं आएगा. आई थिंक दिस बुक हैव सिंप्लीफाइड एवरीथिंग. I see a lot of people reading Bible and Quran, and I was like, why am I not? Like, I was not really into religion in the first place, but I would love to know a little bit about what my dharma is and what my karma is. So this is a great place to start to gain some knowledge. Okay, next two books are my recommendation again to you guys. Besides those 5-star reads, if you're looking for more cheesy recommendation, Beautiful Disaster. This is my best YA, young adult भी नहीं बोलूँगी, new adult fiction, love, romantic fiction. I feel like मैं ये वापस पढ़ूँगी तो मेरे को इतनी पसंद नहीं आएगी, but I still remember the story, and that is why it's still one of my best books out there for romance category. Yeah, this is probably one of the best books I have read in the historic fiction category. I had my mom call in from next room, imagine that. Read it. You won't regret it. None of these books are too hard to read. I want to promote a little bit more of reading habit in everybody, and I love people who read and have a collection. I don't think I would want people around me who don't read. Like that's just me. So that's about it for this video. I don't want to make it too long because this have already become a long 10-15 minute video. नेक्स्ट अप आई थिंक कल होगा, मैं वेब सीरीज बात करूँगी जो मैं देखा है रिसेंटली ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स, एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली एंजॉयड इट. लाइक आई थिंक यू विल ऑल्सो लव माई रिकमेंडेशंस. आई एम डूइंग इट. आई वांट टू डू मोर ऑफ दीज फेवरेट्स वीडियोस, एंड विथ वीकली व्लॉग्स I get more time to read and consume. That's about it. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Aao.